starting off with a bang, we have the Sol de Janeiro, the fragrance number 87. Yes, please. Hey beauties, it's Riri. I just received my Allure beauty box for the month of May. I'll pop all of our deets right here and we're gonna dive in. Alright, if you are new here, I have actually received Allure beauty box off and on for many years. I love getting Allure beauty box for quite a few reasons. Of course, I think the value is there. That's what I love about subscription services. I love to shop the member store. If you know, you know. And I like that the preface is kind of giving us the latest and greatest of beauty and or Allure best in beauty. So most of these are like tried and true, tested, loved. We do always get an informative pamphlet, which will give us details about all the products, why they chose them, how to use them, and we generally get a discount code as well. I wish all subscription boxes would follow suit and do the exact same thing, and then we can do add-ons and stuff like that. Like I said, I love shopping the members store. Alrighty, first up, heck yes, starting off with a bang, we have the Sol de Janeiro, the fragrance number 87. Yes, please. I love fragrances. Also, Elefante in the room. I redid my beauty space, so hopefully it looks okay. I'm still in the process of like decorating everything. But back there is my fragrances. I think I'm putting the rest right here. I don't know yet. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I needed more space, so it made sense for me to do it in this way. All that to say, I love fragrances and I'm already excited, and this is already starting out to be a really good box. Next up, something else I think I'm gonna love, another brand I really love and kind of a staple in subscription boxes. This is the Belief Aqua Bomb Eye Gel. I don't think I've ever tried this. Visibly reduces the appearance of dark circles and eye bags, and it is a full size. I'm almost positive this is a full size. Next up, we have the Endota New Age, the Hyaluronic Lip Treatment with hyaluronic acid and plump. Not even going to try to say it. It's supposed to plump, smooth, and moisturize. I don't see a shade, so I'm going to go out on a limb here and say it's probably sheer or clear. And with treatments, I'm fine with that. Next up, we have the Refi. I haven't tried a whole lot from Refi Beauty either. This is the Face Setter Setting Spray in clear. And then last but not least, old school favorite. I used to use the heck out of this back in the day, you guys. This is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and I have shade medium brown. And then it does also come with the dual-ended brush, which has the spoolie as well as the angled brow brush. And actually recently I take my little pen and put through here, and then I've been using a powder for the rest of my brows, just easy peasy. Yes, please. So I will break that down really quickly. Let me get the box out of our way. I love the pamphlet. I cannot speak enough to how much I like the pamphlet. So it will kind of give us an idea for the month, maybe why they chose the types of products that they did and stuff like that. Trending again. When I was in middle school, I had a pair of bell-bottom jeans I loved so much that I wore out the knees. My mom was just as fond of them as I. They reminded her of a similar pair she had in the 70s. 70s babies in the house? Yes, please. Now that I'm in my 30s, I'm realizing how trends never really go out of style. I say this all the time. They kind of just recycle themselves. Sure, they go dormant for a few years, but like clockwork, what's old will become new again. So circular. The beauty industry is like that too, and I love that about it. Products that I hit pan on 5, 10, 15 years ago are making or have made their way back into the spotlight, and you'll see how true that is when you check out the products in the May Allure Beauty box. There's a nostalgia-inducing brow pomade, a beachy body mist, a hydrating eye gel, and more. I have a feeling you'll love them even more this time around. And then it will go through and let us know our details. So first up is our Anastasia Beverly Hills, the Dip Brow Pomade. We could have gotten the choice of medium brown, dark brown, soft brown, or taupe. I wonder if I should have gotten dark brown, because if this is super warm, I don't know. Well, you'll love it. The 2010s are back in a major way, and it shows with the iconic brow pomade. The multitasking pigment can be used to shape, shade, and fill in brows all in one go. It's also waterproof, so you never have to worry about your look running once it is set. How you'll use it. As the name implies, this pomade is best applied with an angled brush after dipping it in the pot and working excess off into the cap. You'll be left with the perfect amount of pigment to do all the above and more. This is a retail price of $25 for 0.14 ounces. So this already pretty much just about pays for my box. And I do like that we also get the brush. Let me not break it, that we get the brush included. There is no discount code with that product. All right, and then the brush actually is considered a separate item. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Brush 12 dual-ended firm angled brush. Why? You'll love it. Never underestimate the power of a good brow brush. This double-sided tool features a spoolie for styling and a flat angled brush head made with synthetic bristles for applying the product. How you'll use it. Use the spoolie to rake through and tame the hairs. Then with the short brush side, scoop out your tint of choice, dust off any excess, and lightly outline your desired shape while you fill in any gaps. Go back to the spoolie and comb through the brows again to evenly distribute the product. The brush itself is worth $22. So literally this right here, worth more than the entirety of the box. Let's see, the Refi, this feels heavy too, by the way. The Refi Face Setter. Why you'll love it. If you prefer a dewy look, now I'm even more intrigued. This super fine setting spray makes for the perfect routine closer. It's made with humectants, glycerin, and polyglutamic acid to lock in moisture and your makeup. How you'll use it. Shake the bottle to mix, then hold at least 8 inches from your face before spritzing directly onto your skin, making sure to hit areas that need extra grip like your cheeks and forehead. For a glowy, not sticky finish. Skip the setting powder. This is $28 for 1.69 ounces. So this is also full size, and we do not have a promo code with Refi either. Next up, we have the Sol de Janeiro de Cheirosa 87 Rio Radiance Perfume Mist. Why? You'll love it. Craving a vacation? I really am. Anybody else? Do you have a vacation coming up? I'd like to know. No need to trade in your PTO days when you have this seaside inspired body mist. One spritz of this creamy coconut, warm sand, and cozy vanilla scent, yum, will instantly transport you to sunnier locales serving tropical cocktails. How you'll use it. I hope we know how to use these, but no matter where you spray this perfume, in your hair, down your neck, on your wrists, prepare to be complimented all day long. This retail price, $39 for 240 mils. We receive 30 mils in the box, no discount code with that product. Alrighty. Next up is our Belief Aqua Bomb Eye Gel. Why you'll love it. Coffee, Diet Coke, and this eye treatment have more in common than you'd think. They are all packed with caffeine to instantly jolt you and your under eyes awake after late nights, long meetings, and puffy mornings. How you'll use it. Press the pump to distribute the lightweight gel, then gently press the ceramic tip. Oh, this is gonna be nice, y'all. I got a feeling it's gonna be nice. Then gently press the ceramic tip to the under eye area, lightly massage in a circular motion, and pat in any excess product. Retail price is $32 for 0.5 ounces. This is also full size and no discount code. And then last up in our box for May, the Endota Hyaluronic Lip Treatment. Why you'll love it. This the number one product in every Allure editor's bag lip balm. Same here, honey. We probably have at least 3 tubes each, including this one, which is pumped with hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump up lips, along with cocoa seed butter for a subtly sweet scent. How you'll use it. After giving the tube a squeeze, glide the angled applicator over the lips for an instant glossy finish. Retail price is $37 for 0.52 ounces. This is a full size. And we do actually have a code with this. Where to purchase, endota.ca. Receive 20% off your purchase with code Allure20, valid through August 1st, 2026. I do actually want to try this out real quick. And of course, this is, you know, kind of the latest, greatest craze. I do like the packaging and stuff. My favorite, and I've tried Rhode, I've tried Laneige, I've tried Summer Fridays, I have tried MCO Beauty, I've tried Tower 28. I have all of them. I have a ton. My all-time favorite ones, you guys, are the Ole Henriksen one. They are just the best. I have multiples of these. They're fantastic. So I'm hoping it lives up to that one. All right, here is the applicator. Oh, that was easy. I'm gonna kind of go from here to put it on in case I don't like it. I actually don't smell anything at all. Ooh. Now this may not be quite this liquidy. I almost wiped that on my dress instead of on my towel, because sometimes like that first kind of initial squeeze, yeah, I'm seeing that it's a little bit thicker now. That initial squeeze sometimes, you guys, can just be where it's not been mixed up or where it's been just kind of sitting for a little while. So I think I'm just getting the oils from it, but I think I'm gonna like it. I do kind of smell a little bit something sweet now that it's on my lips. Ooh. Okay, I might like this, you guys. This might be a good one. But that is it. That is everything in my Allure beauty box for the month of May. I'd like to know what you guys thought. And what are some of your favorite subscription boxes? Do you get Allure? Have you kind of steered clear because you were unsure what type of products they had? I think this is a banger. I'm giving it a 5 out of 5. I'm generally pretty pleased with Allure. I'd like to know your thoughts. Comment down below. Let's have that conversation. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you did enjoy. You can also hype my videos. You can also turn on the bell so you never miss any of my videos. And there's a join button down below you can click to become a channel member for some exclusive perks. I love you all. Stay happy, healthy, and safe. And of course, be your own best beautiful. Bye, beauties.